Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to another 2-minute tongue twister challenge. So this tongue twister is focusing on the sound S. S. To make this sound, we put our teeth almost together, but they don't touch. Your tongue is behind your top teeth, but doesn't touch them. And we just blow air over our tongue and out through the teeth. So the air goes over your tongue, out through the teeth. S. S. So this week's tongue twister is 6 sausages slowly sizzled in the sun. 6 sausages slowly sizzled in the sun. So the words with S in them are 6 sausages slowly sizzled sun. So once more, 6 sausages slowly sizzled in the sun. Now you try. So how did you go? Could you say the tongue twister? 6 sausages slowly sizzled in the sun. Keep practicing this and any of the other tongue twisters or limericks in Jill's English pronunciation gym. You can go there to work out your English muscles just a few minutes each day, and this will help to strengthen your English muscles, improve your English pronunciation, and in turn improve your English listening. So head over to Jill's English pronunciation gym now, either here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. Thanks for watching. See you next time.